Hi everyone, I'm Emma. Welcome back to another English shadowing practice. Today, we're going to talk about one of my favorite topics, restaurants. We'll practice natural English sentences you can use when ordering food, talking to a waiter, or chatting with friends while eating out. So, relax, listen carefully, and repeat along with us if you want. Let's get started. Hey Luke, are you hungry? I know a really nice restaurant nearby.
Yeah, I'm starving. What kind of food do they have?
It's an Italian restaurant. They make amazing pasta and pizza. You'll love it.
Perfect. I could really go for some pasta right now.
Great, let's go. Oh, look, there's a table near the window.
Nice spot. I love places with natural light.
Me too. Okay, here's the menu. Everything looks so good.
Yeah, I can't decide. What are you thinking of getting?
Maybe the spaghetti carbonara. It's one of my favorites.
Sounds good. I'm thinking about the lasagna or maybe a pizza.
The pizza here is delicious. You should try the margarita. Simple, but so good.
I'll have the margarita pizza then, and maybe a lemonade.
Good choice. I'll get the carbonara and sparkling water. Do you want to share an appetizer?
Yeah, let's get some garlic bread. It's always a must at Italian restaurants.
Definitely. Garlic bread makes everything better.
You're right. So do you eat out often?
Not too often, maybe once or twice a week. But I love discovering new places. Every restaurant has its own story.
That's true. I like trying new places too, especially small family-owned restaurants.
Same here. They usually have the best food. Simple, homemade, full of flavor.
Exactly. Big restaurants can be great, but local spots feel warmer.
Yeah. Plus, I love when the owner comes to say hi and asks if everything's okay.
It feels so personal. You can tell they really care.
Totally. You know, I once went to a little Italian place in Florence. The chef came out and explained the menu himself.
That sounds amazing. I bet the food was incredible.
It was. Everything tasted fresh, like they had just picked the ingredients that morning.
That's the dream. Someday I want to travel just to eat, like a food trip around the world.
That would be amazing. Imagine eating sushi in Japan, pizza in Italy, and tacos in Mexico.
Yes, that would be the perfect vacation.
So true. Okay, what's your favorite type of restaurant here in town?
I really like that little burger place downtown. They make everything fresh. What about you?
I love this Italian one, but there's also a nice Thai restaurant near my apartment. Their curry is incredible.
Thai food is great. Spicy, flavorful, colorful.
Exactly. And I love how balanced it is. Sweet, sour, salty, all in one bite.
You're making me hungry again.
Me too. Okay, back to the menu. Are you sure about the pizza?
Yeah. You?
Definitely the carbonara. I never get tired of it.
What's your favorite pasta sauce?
Maybe creamy ones. I love Alfredo or carbonara. What about you?
I prefer tomato-based sauces. They feel lighter.
Yeah, and they taste fresher too.
Exactly.
Do you like cooking Italian food at home?
I try, but it's never the same.
Same here. Maybe it's because we rush and restaurants take their time.
Right. And the ingredients matter a lot.
For sure. Okay, tell me, what's the best restaurant you've ever been to?
That's a hard question. Maybe the one I went to in New York, a small Italian place in Brooklyn. The pasta was handmade.
That sounds so good.
It was. What about you?
Probably a seafood restaurant in Lisbon. Fresh fish, ocean view, amazing people.
That sounds perfect.
It really was. I could sit there for hours.
Food tastes better when you're relaxed.
Exactly. Eating is more than just food. It's atmosphere, music, people.
That's so true. I love restaurants with soft music. It sets the mood.
Same here. Loud places make it hard to talk.
Yeah, and eating is all about conversation, too.
Right. Like this. Talking while eating is one of life's simple pleasures.
Absolutely.
So, do you usually order dessert when you eat out?
Not always, but if I see something with chocolate, I can't resist.
Same here. Chocolate is my weakness.
What's your favorite dessert?
Probably tiramisu. I love the mix of coffee and cream.
Classic choice.
What about you?
Chocolate lava cake. I love when it's warm and the chocolate melts out.
That's a good one.
So, Emma, if you could open your own restaurant, what kind would it be?
Interesting question. Maybe a cozy cafe, small, bright, with homemade food and soft music.
That sounds perfect.
And yours?
Maybe a breakfast place. Pancakes, coffee, good vibes.
I love that. Breakfast restaurants always feel happy.
Yeah, everyone's starting their day with good food.
Exactly. I think food really affects your mood.
Totally. A good meal can make a bad day better.
I couldn't agree more.
So, what's the worst restaurant experience you've ever had?
Oh, that's easy. Once I went to a sushi place where the fish wasn't fresh. It was terrible.
Oh no, that's the worst.
Yeah, I learned my lesson. Always check reviews first.
Smart move. I had a bad one too. Waited 45 minutes for cold fries.
That's painful.
Yeah, but at least now it's a funny story.
Exactly. Every bad meal becomes a memory.
So true.
Okay, imagine your perfect meal. What would it be?
Probably a big bowl of pasta, some garlic bread, and a glass of lemonade. Simple, but perfect.
Nice choice. For me, it's grilled salmon with rice and vegetables.
Healthy and tasty.
Yeah, balance is key.
Agreed.
Do you prefer eating at restaurants or ordering delivery?
Eating at restaurants. Delivery is convenient, but it's not the same experience.
Exactly. The atmosphere makes a huge difference.
Totally. I also like watching how the food is served. Presentation matters.
Yes, it makes it feel special. Even a simple dish looks amazing when presented nicely.
So true.
So, do you think tipping culture is fair?
Good question. I think it's important to reward good service, but it shouldn't replace fair pay.
Exactly. I always tip when I can, especially when the staff is kind.
Same here.
And sometimes a smile or thank you can make their day.
That's true. A little kindness goes a long way.
Always.
So, Emma, do you ever go to restaurants alone?
Sometimes it's actually relaxing. You can just sit, eat slowly, and enjoy the moment.
I've done that too. It's peaceful.
Yeah, I like bringing a book or just people watching.
People watching is fun. You can imagine their stories.
Exactly. It's like free entertainment.
You know, I think restaurants are like little theaters. People come, talk, laugh, and share moments.
That's a beautiful way to put it.
Thanks.
Okay, so what's your dream restaurant to visit? Anywhere in the world.
Maybe a seaside place in Greece. Fresh fish, blue sky, ocean breeze.
That sounds perfect. For me, maybe Paris. Dinner with a view of the Eiffel Tower.
Romantic and delicious.
Exactly.
I think food and travel are the best combination.
Totally. You learn so much about culture through food.
Yes. You can tell a lot about people by what they eat.
And how they share it.
Exactly.
Wow, time went by fast.
Yeah, that always happens when the food is good.
And when the company is great.
Agreed.
Thanks for joining me today, Luke.
Anytime, Emma. This was fun.
Next time, sushi night?
Definitely.
Deal.
See you soon.
See you, Luke. And that's it for today's English shadowing session. I hope you enjoyed practicing with me and Luke while we talked about restaurants and ordering food. Remember, practice speaking out loud even when you're alone. That's how you build confidence. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural English conversations every week. See you in the next video. Bye.